changing out the freaking bench seat of a 95 Silverado single cab. But here's a seat. I don't want the seat. I want bucket seats. So I'm gonna put a 2015 Silverado seats, and it's gonna have a custom center console that I'm gonna be having. My buddy's gonna have done for me. Pretty sure I gotta take this shit off right here, that one off, and those little hip thingamajiggers. But I'm gonna be using a grinder for that. But it's gonna be it's gonna be a clip video, to be honest. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, boys. I'm gonna fucking wash this carpet. I gotta fucking move my seat. Hey, pull this motherfucker out. All right. Yeah. Seatless bitches. Engine cleaner. Hey, hit me up if you guys need your interior detail cleaned out. I got you guys, for real, no bullshit. $10.99 discount on the homies. All right, so it's somewhat nice and clean. Obviously, can't get that rust off unless I change the whole fucking carpet. But I'm gonna color it a different color. Get all that shit off of there. I'm gonna paint it. That shit look bad, look nasty. I'm gonna paint it black. Same thing, get all that shit off. Okay, I decided to go ahead and paint the seats. I'm putting a 2015 Silverado seats. They're gray, but I want to kind of go black. Same thing with this. Drying the crap out. I want to go wash it. Obviously, you can't get the rust off of there, whatever that is. So I'm just gonna paint it for now and then switch it later. And I'll show you guys what I did once I put the 15 Silverado seats on there. Took off the bucket seats. It's pretty bad, but yeah. All right, well, it's all said and done. I'm not gonna lie, that shit looks clean. All I did was just I used the same brackets, and I just went to go buy some bolts and screws and shit, and just poked holes, basically measured it, put it in first, grabbed a paint marker, marked it, and I was able to bolt it down. But I mean, it's a single cab, so I mean, I don't need the seats to be sliding forward and backwards, so I don't really care. But if you guys want to do that, you always can get like these little tiny C channels or some shit like that. You can actually put on here. That way it's more straight and you can move your seat around. But other than that, I mean, got the center console in there too. I didn't even bolt that one down. Both of these seats kind of like just squeezed it in where it's not even gonna move at all. But other than that, I mean, shit, it looks great. Let's get a better view. So they're all manual, they're not electric seats. I'll see if I can post some pictures on here too so you guys can check it out.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box, I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water, I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model.